Good afternoon, my dear kids. Welcome back to my class. Are you all happy to see me? I am also very happy to see you all. So, how are you, my dear kids? Fine? Good. So, children, today, before I introduce my new topic, let me remind you something which you have learned already in senior KG. So children, in English, what is the first step when you enter the school? The first thing you learn in English subject. Guess what will be correct? English alphabets, isn't it? You have learned in senior KG, children. Good. So you know all the alphabets of English. Okay? Good. Now children, do you know how many alphabets are there in English? Let's count. Okay? We'll count how many alphabets are there in English. Look at the slide. Okay? Come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Oh, there are 26 alphabets in English. Okay, so children, keep in your mind there are 26 alphabets in English. Children, when you pronounce each letter, they are different. Yes or no? All alphabets we don't say in a same manner. We pronounce it in a different way. Each letter has different name and different pronunciation. Yes or no, dear? Now which is the first letter in English alphabets? You remember this? A. Correct. So A is the first letter in English alphabets. Which is the next letter, children? B. Now, all the alphabets have different pronunciations. So, we'll play a game, children. Okay, are you ready to listen the game? You'll also play this game with your small brother or sister. Okay? Now see, children. In this game, children, you observe your mouth. Okay? The letters which we'll pronounce, your lips, your teeth, your tongue should not touch each other. Those letters, when we pronounce, your lips, your teeth and your tongue doesn't touch, those letters will be out of the game. Okay, for example, when I said A, see, my lips didn't touch, my teeth didn't touch, my tongue didn't touch when I said A. But when I say B, my lips are touching. B. When I said A, did not touch. So A will be out of the game. When I said B, my lips touch. So B will be in the game. Okay, children, we'll play a game. Okay, ready? Come on. Which letter is this? A. Now you see my mouth. A. My lips, my teeth, my tongue did not touch. So A will be out of the game. When I say which letter, Which letter is this? B. Can you see my B? When I said B, my lips touched each other. B. So B will be in the game. A is out of the game. Now next letter, children. Which letter is this? E. So again see, when I said E, my lips, my teeth, my tongue did not touch. So E will be out of the game. Now children, which letter is this? Now children, which letter is this? C. Now see children, when I said C, my teeth touched each other. C. So C will be in the game. Now children, which letter is this? I. Now see, when I said I, my lips, my teeth, my tongue did not touch. So I is also out of the game. Now children, which letter is this? J. Now see, J. When I said J, my tongue goes up. J. So J will be in the game. So which letters were out? A, E and I was out. Now come on, let's see the next letter. Now children, which letter is this? O. See, when you said O, again your lips, your teeth, your tongue did not touch each other. So O is out of the game. So sad, no children? Now the next letter, Z. Which letter is this? Z. When I said Z, my tongue goes up. Z. My teeth also touched each other. Z. Z. So Z is in the game. Now which letter is this, children? U. Again see, U. When you said U, again your lips, your teeth, your tongue did not touch each other. So U is also out of the game. In some letters, when I showed you, in some letters, your lips, your teeth, your tongue did not touch each other. They are out of the game. So let's see, children, how many letters were out of the game. We'll see how many letters are out of the game. And they are sitting on my fingers. Those letters are out, no children? They are sitting on my fingers. Now see how they are sitting on my fingers. You can see now? See, these letters were out of the game. When you pronounce this letter, your lips, your teeth, your tongue did not touch each other. These letters are called vowels. What are these letters are called, children? Vowels. Name the letters now which are out of the game. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. These letters were out of the game. And these letters are called vowels. And how many vowels are there? 5 vowels. Okay? Now listen to my one small song. Okay? Now listen. How teacher is singing, just listen. Vowels of the alphabets, I know them all by name. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. I know them all by name. Nice song, children. Listen to me once again. Vowels of the alphabets, I know them all by name. A, E, I, O, U. A-E-I-O-U, A-E-I-O-U. I know them all by name. Okay children, one small clue. Suppose if you forgot how many vowels are there, but you can remember how many fingers are there in your one hand. 5 fingers, no children? So how many vowels are there? 5 vowels, isn't it? Now you got this clue? Okay, and the remaining letters which were in the game, they are called consonants. They are called consonants. These letters are called vowels. We'll do a small recap. Okay. Now children, which letter is this? You can see this letter? P. Correct. Now, is P a vowel or consonant? Consonant. Correct. Now children, which letter is this? U. Now tell me, U is a vowel or consonant? Vowel. Correct, my dear kids. Now children, see this letter B. Now think, is B a vowel or consonant? Consonant. Good. O. Now think again, is O a vowel or consonant? Vowel. Which letter is this? A. Is A a vowel or a consonant? Vowel. So children, what was our today's topic? Vowels and consonants. What teacher taught you just now? Vowels and consonants. So keep in your mind, teacher taught you today vowels and consonants. How many alphabets are there in English? There are 26 alphabets in English. How many vowels are there in English? There are 5 vowels in English. And how many consonants are there in English? There are 21 consonants in English. So, did you got it? Today's lesson, vowels and consonants. So children, I'll be sending you worksheet number 4, vowels and consonant. Read the question and answer it properly. When you will come back to school, I am going to check your notebook. I am going to ask you 2 poems. So far I have taught you, remember, a happy song, then nature, 2 poems. I am going to ask you, and the composition of myself. Learn it properly. When you will come back, I am going to check your notebook whether your photo is there and you have written 5 sentences on myself. I am going to check, and this worksheet number 4 also I am going to check. So children, kindly do the given homework. Okay, my dear kids, take care. God bless you children. I love you.